Hello, my name is Chris, and in the last video we've just finished going over the walkthrough tutorial, and now we're starting with the tutorial note. Okay, we're just going to go over a few things here, and then we'll be finished with the tutorial note. Okay, the tutorial note is just a list of notes for the developer, and just in case he forgets something. Grouping formulas. Now, grouping formulas, there are different ways to group formulas. Oh, grouping formulas. There are different kinds of grouping symbols which are used within the application. One of them is the tilde brackets. It's used to create an instance of a formula or a linked formula or a reference a formula. And the tilde parentheses are for comments. Same goes with the underscore parentheses. And they're commonly used with the tilde brackets here to create a new instance of a formula within a formula. Performance. So if you head over to the preference section, you'll see the low number of formulas, low delay time, and number of formulas to add and add delay time. These are to increase the increase or decrease the load time of the formulas depending on the performance of your system. So if you have a fast system, then you can load 100 formulas and with 0 delays, which will load the list of formulas quickly. And we'll show that in a while. Here we're using the formulas. Like I've said before, there are different grouping symbols for the application, and when you want to reuse a formula, you use tilde brackets. And here, create, save, and load ink canvas. Okay, the ink canvas is for the image button here. Before you begin using the ink canvas, you want to go to the file section, and you want to quick save a file before you use the ink canvas, which will open. If you click here, the ink canvas will open up in a new window. Okay, this is the ink canvas, and you want to quick save the reason why you want to quick save the list, quick save the formula list first, because every ink canvas is unique to a formula list, and if you don't quick save, the ink canvas will not work properly. The ink canvas was made at the last minute, and as a result, it couldn't be loaded. It couldn't be saved correctly. So the ink canvas has to be quick saved. It has to be before using the ink canvas has to be quick saved. I mean, the formula lists have to be quick saved. bind quick save to bind the ink canvas to the formula list. And if you change the formula name here, the image will change. The image will also change. Here, the image file will also change. Every time you change the formula name, you have to make sure that the formula name is what you want, because the ink image isn't going to the ink image is going to load the file based on that formula name. Okay, and let me show you quickly the performance loading time. So we've just changed it to 100 and 0 delays. Okay. Now if we were to change them back to 1 per 20 seconds, load one formula per 20 seconds. It's a bit slower. Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and that's it for today.